What's up YouTube? It's your girl RayeRaye and welcome back to my channel. If you like this look, stay tuned and we'll get into all the details of what I did. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Alright, Lego. Alright, you already know I gotta start with my brows first, and as always, I'll be using the Crayon Case Eyebrow Pomade in the color Dark Brown. And just to darken my brows a little bit more and add on to the tips, I'll be using the Revlon Colorstay Brow Pencil in the color Dark Brown. And you know we gotta conceal those brows so we can make them all clean and whatnot. So I'll be using the NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer in the color Tan. And make sure you buff that baby out because we are not trying to look ashy. And today I'll be using the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place, and girl, let me tell you. So I'm going to be starting off with this color AOC. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. And then I'm going to be mixing Mino and Kano. And really, I don't know why. I just really like both colors and I couldn't pick which one I want to use. So I just mixed them. And girl, this whole look was a complete freestyle. My goal was to create some type of halo look, but then I don't know, I just went in with the color Bakwa and I left some space in the middle for a lighter color. Stay with me, girl, we'll get to it. It'll be cute at the end, don't worry. And then I'm going to use this color Morphe for the center to just get that extra little shine. You see how that light hit it? Ooh, yes. You don't have to do this next step. This is just my thing. I'm gonna go in with the Mino Kano mix and just blend out the top because I don't like any harsh looks on my eyes. Like, I don't know. It's just me. Don't judge me. You don't have to do this, okay? It's just me. Now I'm going with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in the color Black. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear in the color 465 Suede C. Girl, this stuff right here, this Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, I got the color Armande and I absolutely love this stuff. It was my first time using it. I'm hooked. I'm a fan. And then for my contour to get them cheekbones snatched to the guards, I'm going to be using a Fenty Beauty Expresso Matchstix. Then blend, girl, blend. And then just go in with that Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And for some reason I always get this up on my shirt. Like, this is why I change clothes after I do my makeup, because I make a mess. You know I gotta go in with one of my everyday favorites, that It's My RayeRaye palette. I'm gonna use her color Brownie Bite to set that contour. And then you just blend, honey, blend. And for my nose, I just like to blend it out with my finger. It just works way better for me. Now for the waterline, go in with the color Mino for a cute little smoky eye look. In my last video, everybody kept asking me, what is that green pencil? So it's the Maybelline Define a Line Ebony Black Pencil. There you go. So I got this Worth the Hype mascara by NYX in the mail for free. It literally just went along with my Ulta order, and it's the truth. Like, I really like it. If you wear falsies, try to only put it on your real lashes. Try to avoid the falsies as much as possible. If need be, just put the mascara on before you put the falsies on. But I do my own thing because I'm weird. Whatever. And as always, I have to go in with Babe in Paradise Highlighter Palette by Bretman Rock, using my favorite color Shady. It just gives me that natural glow. Yes. So this is my first time trying the Crayon Case Liquid Lipsticks. And I got the color Gumbo, and I actually really liked it a lot. And I had to make sure I didn't get it on my teeth, so I had to do the check. And every single wig that you'll ever see me in has been created, cut, styled, dyed, everything by me. Get you one, honey. So I feel like this look gives me a mature, like, nighttime slash daytime slash whatever time you want to wear type of look. Because who makes the rules, girl? Be your own hype man. Love yourself. Live your best life. See you next week for the next video, girl. Every Monday. Bye.